team during routine inspection had come across this suspicious supply of paneer, wherein, for example, if a team was going on inspection on the 7th, our team used to find paneer with the date of 7th manufactured in Mumbai. So this raised suspicious, and then what we did is we tracked down to find from where this paneer is coming. And with all this, we carried out a thorough planning. And today, our team waited at the Patradevi border during the late night, and around 1:30 p.m. we detained this vehicle which had arrived from Islampur, where this paneer was being manufactured, and we followed the vehicle right up to this unit here in Porvorim, which is belonging to this modern dairy. And here, what was being done is that labels were being printed here and stamped with dates, different dates. So paneer without label was being brought to this place, and different dates were being stamped at this place, which is a clear-cut violation of the Food Safety and Standards Act. The license also of this place is only for storage and wholesale, but repackaging activity, because there is a vacuum packing machine inside, was also being done, which was again misleading the consumers. So here we have a number of products that we have taken up in our investigation. Also, there are some mismatch of dates. Like you see this curd here, the manufacturing date of this curd today is shown as 9, and today is just 7, and it's 9. So this is the way by which they were, misleading the people. I have my colleague here, Rajaram Patil, who will give you more details on the other products that we have checked.
कड घेतिल्ले आसा ते पॅक जे करून आयिल्ले आसा हाजेर मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग लेबलिंग कांयच ना, केन्ना मॅन्युफॅक्चर केला, कितल्या दिसान खावपाचें ताजेर कांयच डिटेल बरयल्लें ना. आनी ड्युरींग दीस आमकां एक कळून चुकलें की दे आर युजींग दीस स्टॅम्प, आनी आपल्याक जी जाय ज्या दिसा डिस्पॅच करता त्या दिसाची डेट घालप आनी कंज्युमराक फटोवप, हें आतां हाडून भितर स्टोर करप. आनी आमकां हांगा सगळें तेंचें मटेरियल मेळ्ळें आसा. हे सगळे लेबल्स आमकां मेळ्ळे आसा वीच ऑलरेडी सीज. लेबल ज्या दिसा डिस्पॅच करता त्या दिसाची डेट घालप आनी ती कंज्युमराक म्हणून फ्रेश म्हणून दिवप, अशें चल्लेलें आसा. जेन्ना आमी तांचे फूल रिकॉर्ड जेन्ना आतां सीज केल्ले आसा, तांचे आमकां कस्टडींतल्यान आमी रिकॉर्ड सीज केल्ले आसा, तातूंतल्यान एक व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट गजाल आमकां कळयलें आसा, म्हणजे जें पनीर जें हांगा येवन पळय रिपॅक जाता विदाउट एनी लेबल आपल्याक जाय तें, इट इज ते अशा हॉटेलांनी वता. आय वील नेम सम ऑफ दम: ओटियम, रिओ रिसॉर्ट, आरपोरा, ओशन पाम, कलंगूट, अदामो, डेल्टा कॉप, ली मेरिडियन, केडेलेक कसिनो, हाय स्ट्रीट कसिनो, रेडिसन बागा, बार्बेक्यू नेशन, ग्रँड हयात, कॉपर लीफ पेंजीम, अर्बन टर्बन, सांगोल्डा, हे जे प्रिमियम जे हॉटेल्स आसात पळय तांकां व्हरून हो पनीर आनी हेजे पळय कड आसा पळय हे सप्लाय केले जाता. आमकां जेन्ना जशें आमच्या डिओन सांगलें की खंय तरी आमकां मिसमॅच कळपाक लागलें की आमी जेन्ना रुटीन चॅकअप वता की त्याच दिसा प्रोडक्ट कसो येता हो, आनी हे सस्पिशन जेन्ना आमच्या मनान येतकीर आमी जे पळय चॅकपोस्टाचेर रातभर रावन जेन्ना आमी इंटरसेप्ट केले, तातूंतल्यान आमी सगळे रिकॉर्डांतल्यान कळून चुकला की ही इज मिसलिडींग ऑल दीस कंज्युमर्स.
And several others maybe also. If you can see this packet here, the address, you need to check on the address. The address is that it is manufactured and packed in Goregaon, Mumbai. Here the packaging is done in Porvorim. So this is a clear-cut violation of the Food Safety and Standards Act, and we have cracked down on such cases earlier. So it is not that these people are not aware. They are aware, but still they are doing this mischief. So hence we will be carrying out strict action. We are also contemplating of suspending the license and carrying out a further inquiry. Although we have seen a lot of improvement as far as the other suppliers are concerned in Goa, but this was one supplier by which we were tracking for a long time, and today we have been successful in catching this person carrying out this mischief. So altogether we have the stock that arrived today was around 700 kgs of paneer, around milk was there, and curd was there, roughly around maybe 200 to 300 packets of curd, There was also 35 kgs of mawa that is come in the vehicle today, and also there were items in their cold storage which were without label. So again, it is believed that as and when the orders come, they used to remove this stock, pack it, put that day's date, and send it. So this is what is come out in our investigation, which we have taken on record as well.
त्यात कोण कोण आले?
आमचे टीम इन आयज असलेले राजाराम पाटील, द रजिस्ट्रिंग ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ बार्देज एरिया, आणि फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर्स लेनिन, प्रीतम, अमित डालन, and our other support staff Babaji, Gaurish, Shedke and Sainath Chari.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.